Hey friends, if you wish to turn on network discovery on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution, through the procedure. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you can click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet if you have an Ethernet connection, but let's say Wi-Fi for the sake of this example, and select the Wi-Fi network. Now you'll find two options here. One is public and one is private. When it is selected at public network, which is usually the default one, network discovery will be off. So if you are in a private network like a home network, then you can select this option and it will enable network discovery. Now you will be able to discover the network and access it through access your system through other computers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.